Hello guys, welcome to our approved showroom. We have over 200 cars here, but that's not the topic of the day. Actually, I want to show you something inside our detailing. So for those of you who don't know, we do have a detailing facility. So come on, I'll give you a little tour. Come on in, come on in. Welcome to our detailing facility. This way, please. So, this is our prep area. And as you can see, these cars actually are the cars that we need to prepare before we display them in the showroom. So, before displaying them in the showroom, we polish them, do paint correction, we inspect the cars so that once you buy the cars, everything should be good. So for this Porsche, they're currently removing an existing vinyl. This prep area is separate from our retail area, and these cars are the cars that we have from our clients outside, and also some showroom cars that has been purchased by our clients. So I'm gonna take you to our wash bay. So a little fun fact, the water that we use here is actually 10 times purer than drinking water. We want to eliminate minerals so that those minerals won't stick on your car's paint. And this area is where we do the polishing and paint correction. Before we proceed with any PPF installation, we do paint correction just to make sure that when we install PPF, everything is good and flawless. So I just want to show you that we have a very controlled environment with gates. So just to make sure that everything is controlled and dust-free. And welcome to our PPF area. So we're currently doing PPF here. We have two types of films. So we do Ultimate Plus if you want the glossy finish, and Stealth if you want the matte finish. So all of our PPF is pre-cut. We don't remove any badges or panels on your car. Welcome to our design room. This is our operations manager, Matthew. And this is where we do the templates, the pre-cut templates from XPEL, window tint as well. And yeah, this is the plucker machine that we use to cut the film for our PPF and window tint. So that's it for now. Make sure to follow our socials, Instagram and YouTube, Approved Detailing, and we'll see you on our next video. Bye.